Good morning, Lindsay here. Just in case you don't know who I am, today is Friday, thank goodness. I have a lot of work to do this weekend in my house, so, I mean, not a ton, but like, I need to clean my bathroom because I didn't get to do it yesterday. And I probably won't get to it today either. I'm not sure. It's super hot out. Right now it's 22 and it's only 9:30 in the morning. Is that me? No, that's got to be the car behind me. Jeez. Yeah, it's the car behind me. Because he keeps revving his engine, which is weird. Seriously, buddy? Anyways, that car needs a new belt, it sounds like. But yeah, so needless to say, I got a lot to do. Clean my bathroom. I have to organize my craft room a little bit because my parents are coming and we will set up the bed for them in my craft room so that they have a room for themselves instead of being out in the living room. So I need to move out a couple of rolling carts and I need to organize the tables a little bit so that they can put their stuff down. And yeah, so I have a lot to do. This morning, ow, I hurt my shoulder, which is not very nice, but every time I lift something or turn or drive even, this shoulder hurts. So I'm not happy about that. I don't know what I did. So hopefully I can rest it for a few days, but I am drinking Vanilla Sky in my cold brew this morning for my ketones. I also added a little bit of pink salt in, of course, to bring out the flavor of the Vanilla Sky. And I added a straw today. I have been just drinking it out of the cup, but I decided that today I wanted to use a straw. I'm being lazy. So anyways, I'm just about at work, but I thought I would pop on. Last night I didn't have anything else besides the egg stuff, and I think today I'm going to continue the egg fast. So I think though I'm going to look up a couple of more recipes for egg fast stuff just to keep things a little interesting. I know there's quite a few recipes out there now that call for, why are we all full of parking? Holy. That call for or that are good on the egg fast. So I'm kind of excited to look those up and try a few different ones. So hopefully you will join me with that. And yeah, that's it. I'm here. So anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will be back later when I make my egg lunch. Hi guys, so it's lunchtime, so I'm having 2 hard-boiled eggs that I've just mashed with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. And then I'm gonna have it on some of my cheese crackers. So I've put in 1.45 ounces of cheese crackers, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm just gonna put my egg on the crackers and eat that. So yum yum, make little sandwiches, I think. So anyways, I'm gonna go and eat this, and then I will see you again when I have dinner or any other eggs. I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I don't know if I'm gonna have more eggs. I think we can have like up to 7 or 8 eggs in one day, but I'm gonna do a little bit more research and have a look-see. I do know that I want to have like egg-based fettuccine noodle kind of thingy, which I may make as like a try with me recipe kind of thing, but I will see exactly what happens. Chris is gonna play poker tonight, so I'm pretty much home alone most of the night, so I can do whatever I want. So anyways, I'm gonna go and eat these, and I will see you when I make my next meal. Bye. Hey guys, so I am just having a little bit of a snack. I just made 1 egg on my flat griddle, and I put a little bit of cheese on, less than an ounce of cheese, and then I just put my tablespoon of mayonnaise over top. And yeah, I'm gonna have that as a snack, and then I'm going to make dinner probably in about an hour. So I will see you then. Hey guys, so it's dinner time. I made the fettuccine egg noodle thingy, and just a couple of things. I think next time when I make it, I'm gonna use like coconut oil or olive oil to grease the pan, because the butter wasn't quite enough to gently release the noodles. So I think it would be better if I actually sprayed the pan rather than like rubbed it with butter. So anyways, other than that, it looks super good. I'm super excited to try it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna throw a little bit more pepper on, and I'm gonna eat my dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Today was day 2 of the egg fast. I think I will continue it tomorrow. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling less bloated than I have been in the last couple of days, so that's awesome. And yeah, so I think we will continue this for at least another day. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that I will link this recipe below. If I remember when I upload, I'm pretty sure I will. Anyways, and yeah, and then you can try it for yourself if you do the egg fast. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.